Scooby, Tom Skubala from JKP Engineering, one of MTD's biggest fans. You've been with us since the beginning.
I have, yeah, since he started. Watching you on a Friday afternoon, here as well, trying to hide it from anybody watching.
We'll take that, we'll take that. On a break, obviously. Tom, it is a pleasure to finally meet you, and you're kind of home here as a machinist.
Yeah.
It's immaculate.
Oh, it's great. It's just nice being able to have everything that's mine. I don't have to share anything, which is nice.
Yeah.
So we've got all my own tools, my own computer. So even just having my own computer, I don't get other people messing it up.
And you get it right first time. So
Yeah.
talk me through what you've got here, besides all the MTD CNC magnets everywhere.
Yeah, you've sort of bombarded me with MTD. So this is half of a clamp I'm machining at the moment. It's all machined out of one part in two operations, but it's stuck out the side of the vise.
Right.
So I've got a block which screws onto that part because I have to be able to get all the way through.
Right.
So if I did it in two ops, I'd really struggle once I change sides. I can't hold it on that because there's nothing flat,
No.
and I can't hold it on that. So you'd be sort of really struggling. So we came up with the idea to stick it out the side of the vise, which
Right.
I was a bit nervous about to start with because I thought I might get push off, but seems to work well.
And you're working currently on a Hurco machine. I know you and Rob, your colleague, have got a huge influence over the purchase of Hurcos.
Yeah, it's strange how that happened, to be honest, because I started on the mini mill and I worked my way up,
Yeah.
and then I got this, and it's just incredible. The things you can do on it, you don't really need much offline programming. You just do it all off the control,
Yeah.
and having the options is great. And same as we've got every option we can have at the moment, and the most used option, and I don't know if any other machine has this, but it's the DXF input. So if you've got a part with 100 holes, it's so easy to put one of them out of position just by a missed key or miss anything. But with that, import it straight in, everyth's in the right place.
You're so happy.
Oh, I love it.
You do.
I love it.
Yeah. And it's like your own station. So, what are you going to do going forward? What are your thoughts? Because I know they're on their fourth Hurco now.
We are,
So what's
yeah.
maybe the next step?
We're looking at a 5-axis next. Hopefully by the end of the year it will be in. And my boss's plan is to buy two. One, buy one, as soon as it's paid off, straight in with another.
And my last
That
question.
will be my next machine.
I was going to say, if this is your baby now, is that going to
Oh
be
no, I'm going to have both. I'm keeping both. Nobody's having this one. No one's having this.
No.
I like this and it's mine, it's set up. I had this since brand new and you're not having it.
No one's having this, no one touched
No,
this.
it's mine. It's all right.
Tom, I love this. It's a pleasure to meet you. Tom, online you've got a huge following and you're growing now.
Yeah.
Tell me about your followers.
Well, I don't know. It just seems to have gone mad.
Yeah.
At the moment I'm gaining like 1,000 a month.
Wow.
Well, I started my Instagram in June last year and I've nearly got 7,000 followers, so I'm nearly 1,000 a month.
But,
And it's mad. And I've just had a video go, well, viral.
yeah.
So normally my videos are like 20, 30,000.
Yeah.
This last one's up to 165,000 views and still growing.
You know what?
I
I've
have
seen
no
it. It's
idea.
brilliant. I've seen it.
That was done in here, and did you see the blooper reel before that though?
No, I haven't seen this.
Well, I put a video on after that because that video wasn't sort of the first one I made. The first one I slowed the spindle down,
Ah, right.
so I had to play about with it.
But that's what it is. But you know what? You're showing your work live on the internet and people are loving it. So tell everyone who they've got to follow.
The UK Machinist, and I don't just show the good bits, I do show when I have a problem.
Yeah.
I've shown a few of them because we all do it.
Yeah.
We all have a crash.
Yeah.
I'm going to admit it, but I have knocked my orientation out of my spindle once.
This is brilliant. Scooby, it's been an absolute pleasure, and hopefully we're going to see more and more of you. Make sure you follow him on Instagram and all of the socials that he does. Thank you so much. Absolute pleasure to meet you.
Fine, it's great. Thank you for coming.